In an era where India is seeing a drastic decline in the number of successful marriages, there are a few celebrities who have managed to hold their marriage together. In today's poll, let us see who is the most celebrated celebrity couple in India amongst Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and Mrs. Jaya Bachchan, married on June 3, 1973 and blessed with a son Abhishek and daughter Shweta. Mr. Shah Rukh Khan and Mrs. Gauri Khan, married on 25th October 1992 and blessed with son Aryan and daughter Suhana. Mr. Hrithik Roshan and Mrs. Sudhayan Roshan, married on 20th December 2000 and blessed with two sons, Rehan and Ridan. Mr. Ajay Devgan and Mrs. Kajol, married on 24th February 1999 and blessed with daughter Naisa and son Yug. Mr. Abhishek Bachchan and Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, married on 20th April 2007 and blessed with a daughter.
Hi, मेरा नाम है विनय यादव. I'm staying in Gurgaon only. And जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया hottest couple in the Bollywood, I would say कि मेरे हिसाब से पुराने टाइम में देखूं तो अजय देवगन और काजोल, काम से देखूं चाहे वैसे देखूं, they are the hottest couple. I would say that भी Bollywood में.
Shahrukh Khan and Gauri Khan.
Amitabh and Jaya.
So according the best celebrity couple is Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan.
And I think happiest couple is Hrithik and Suzanne.
Amitabh and Jaya.
Shahrukh and Gauri. Amitabh and Jaya, of course. Shahrukh Gauri. Hrithik and Suzanne.
Best couple Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan.